stuff going on, so I didn't really feel like making this a video yesterday, but I did get the wheels swapped, and also got the carburetor kind of tweaked a little bit last week, where it's not dumping fuel out the back, but I still gotta go back to my buddy's uncle's shop to kind of fine tune it. We couldn't really do much to it the other day because the roads were all ice, so we could never get on the throttle without the back end just kicking out. So just a little more tuning to do with it, and then it should be good to go. I mean, I'm already able to drive a lot better. I'm going on a dump run this morning eventually, so there's some progress. Yeah, and I want to fix that high idle. I mean, that's idling at like $4,000 or something, it seems like, but it comes down once you tap the throttle, you know, like usual. But it's just set way too high right now. Wake up the whole neighborhood. But as you can tell, it's running much better. And I got my taillights figured out. That was like a three-day extravaganza after work every day, trying to figure that out. But it turns out the Chevy factory ground that I was using was just blowing all the fuses, so I had to make my own ground and whatnot. Typical Chevy wiring problems. And we got that trucker protest going through, or convoy, whatever it is, so I figured I'd put my flags on, decorate the truck for today. So now we're gonna go to the dump. I thought it was open early this morning, but their hours are weird. They're only open like 3 days a week, and every day the hours are different. But I did go over to my buddy's uncle's shop, and we got the timing set a little better, so it runs pretty good now. Finally be able to use this thing. But yeah, let's see how much it weighs too while we're there, because why not? I'm gonna be on the scale anyways. Oh, there's a magic number. 6,000 pounds. This is obviously a single rear, it's not a dually. But yeah, about 3 times as much as a Civic. It's gonna be a slow ride home, stuck behind hay bales, and I don't dare pass anyone with 456 gears because it'll take me 2 weeks to get by them. You know, this will be a nice Sunday drive on a Wednesday. Should have brought my GoPro to get a little drive in, but you know, didn't know what I was doing today at this point. Sorry about this video being kind of really random and all over the place. It's kind of choppy, I know. It's just everything I had scheduled for like the past 2 weeks. Everyone's been either forgetting to call me, like the bank. I've scheduled some stuff at the bank for the past 2 weeks, and now today is the day that they decide to call me, and they're calling me every couple hours and going back and forth. I've been to town and back already 3 times. And like the dump here has random hours. Some days it's open at 2 p.m. and some days it's open at 8 a.m. So when I went to town to mess with the carburetor earlier at my friend's uncle's shop, I couldn't go to the dump, so I came back to town, or back home for a while, and had to go back for the dump. I get back home and I gotta go pick a chair up, and I don't know, it's all over the place. So I apologize. I might even ditch this whole video, but maybe I'll be able to find some fun content to do, I guess, before the end of the day, hopefully. Yeah, sorry about that.